This video will show you how to repurpose or upstyle or redesign some of the household items. Hi, my name is Juliana from One Gift World, where we help you to choose conscious, unique gifts. We produce handmade jewelry and fashion accessories and accessories. We also recycle, upcycle, restyle, upstyle, reuse, and repurpose. So we are involving more and more ourselves into the slow fashion. So if you are new and passionate about high fashion that cares, please hit the subscribe button today. Today I have chosen 2 items to repurpose. So I've been looking for a bread bin, which is this one, for a long time. Then I wanted a greenish color to go with my decor, but I could not find one. So what I did, I bought one. So this is a bread bin. Alright, so and it looks like this. I bought one from K-Mart, which I'm going to put a very simple design on the side to make it my own style and also to make it different to what they use it or sell it in K-Mart or in other stores. Just pick up this Sharpie now and then I draw. So I'll put, remember, Majic Bakery, and probably I'll put some punctuation or something. This is a vase which I am going to draw, and I'm going to use this. I'm going to use my rulers and a pencil, and also I like to use maybe these colors, and I want to do a cat silhouette with a premium color. Thanks for watching. Please stay humble and wonderful.